Okay, so prettier ESLint integration. So here's the thing. The point of code formatters like Prettier is to format the code, and they should not, and they are not made for linting, right? And it's the same thing with linters. Linters, it should lint the code, but completely ignore formatting rules because that's not their job, right? So the best way is to completely separate the concerns of each. So what we want to do is to have Prettier not integrate with ESLint or TSLint or StyleLint or anything like that. And we want Prettier to do its job on its own and format the code, and then allow a linter like ESLint, which I think it's the best one, to do its job and lint the code, right? So separation of concerns is important here. So what we will actually do is, given that this is actually a deprecated setting, we're just going to remove it. And not only this one, but the other two deprecated settings that we have here that are related to this one, which are TSLint and StyleLint, but we'll get to them on their own video.